name is Elisabeth Steimetz. I'm EPoSS Office Director, and it's my pleasure to introduce the European Technology Platform on Smart Systems Integration, the co-organizer of this event, to you today. Should move to the next one, but doesn't. Okay. So what is EPoSS? EPoSS is an industry-driven policy initiative, and we are collecting the R&D and innovation needs of our members and defining based on that policy requirements. So this is at least one of the goals that we have. And all what we do is related to smart systems integration and to integrated micro nano systems. And now more and more, of course, implementing artificial intelligence into these smart systems. Here you can see the current list of EPoSS members. So we are representing European Smart Systems community, large, medium-sized, small entities all over Europe, and RTOs as well, of course. And in EPoSS, we are hosting several working groups, one on transport, one of the biggest ones that we have. So on health, on energy, on digital industry, on agri-food, so on all the typical smart systems applications that companies are running in Europe. And new is that we, together with the help of Nigel, started to have a group on AI at the edge, meeting now and preparing the first documents to be published hopefully still this year. I think I do not have to talk about what a smart system is, and just to show you some of the typical examples of EPoSS members here on this slide, coming from industry, industrial applications, medical, automotive, and environment. I think what is maybe more interesting is what can EPoSS bring to it, and what are we doing there. So we try to really connect the experts and create common European approaches for research and from research to production. And so based on that, we are defining research priorities. We are very active in creating roadmaps and SRAs. So this year, EPoSS is heading the ECS SRA, the Electronic Components and Systems roadmap. We are involved in the roadmaps of other public-private partnerships for the upcoming new Horizon programs like CCAM, like Towards Zero. So my colleague Girion will talk about that in detail a bit later. So we are defining strategic innovation processes and roadmaps. And last but not least, we try to mobilize public and private financial resources to do all this. Currently, we are involved in Horizon Europe. Of course, we have published papers to position SMEs in this context. We are now integrating with EURIPIDIS, the EURIPIDIS community, into EPoSS for upcoming Eureka programs, and we are deeply involved in the Excel joint undertaking. So the succeeding program will be the Key Digital Technologies public-private partnership, which is currently under preparation and will hopefully start towards the end of 2021. Besides that, as I said already, we are involved in Towards Zero and CCAM, and quite new is our involvement in the ESTER Alliance. So this is in the area of health applications. So this is more or less a quick overview about what EPoSS is doing. And if you want to join us, please get into touch with me or through the EPoSS website. And we are very open and looking forward for new members, of course. So thank you very much for your attention so far. And yeah, I'm looking forward to the presentations from the experts now.
Thank you.